Hi, today we're going to discuss how to clean the filter and drain the dirty water out of your front-loading washing machine. This is an LG, but most front-loading washing machines have something similar. You might want to refer to your owner's manual to see exactly where the door is to get to this. What we're going to need today is some type of device that we can drain water into, and then also a bucket to dump the excess water into that fills up the pan, and lastly some paper towels to clean everything up. So I'm going to move the camera a little closer so you can see. So first we're going to do is open this door down here, and inside the door you have the filter here, and then you have a water tube. So we're going to take this tube, we're going to stretch it out, and we're going to pull this gray thing off, and you can some dirty water is coming out. Let me pull that out for the time being. So we're going to keep letting this drain, and the reason why you want a tin like this is so its lowest portion is below where the water is going to drain out. I'm going to stop this for right now so I don't spill it and make a mess. And again, have some paper towels that'll lay out. So I'm just going to take the water and pour it into the container. And now this door also comes off. Just put it off to the side right there, and now we're going to keep draining the water. This is only a couple minute job. I'll probably edit out some of this so you don't have to watch water drain out of the tank. It's important that you drain the water first before you take out the filter. If you take out the filter, all that water is going to pour out onto the floor, and you're going to have a mess. All right, so I'm going to cap it again. Take this, pour it into the container, into the bucket I should say, not the container. Take this off. And I've done this in the past, and we're just about done. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to put the cap back on. Make sure it's all the way on tight. Push this back in. It's just a barb that holds that in. Take the water. I'm going to drain it out into the bucket, and I shouldn't need that anymore. Now I'll just take my paper towel, tuck it underneath a little bit, and we're going to turn and unscrew. This unscrews right here, and it has a lot of lint. So I'll just clean this out. And it looks kind of nasty, but it is through your washing machine, so all your clothes are been cleaned and everything else like that. So it's not terrible. It's kind of like the lint that came out of your dryer, only it's wet. All right, I'm just going to go off camera and rinse this in the sink, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I rinsed it off. What you also want to be careful of, there's a rubber gasket that's right here where I'm wiping. Just make sure that's clean, because if you have some debris or dirt on there, you may not get a good seal. And let me put this here, clean out the dirt. What I'll do is just stick a paper towel in there and try and clean out some excess dirt and grime that's in there. And fairly simple. Now let's make sure that on this model the the basket is down. It slides in. I don't think it goes in another way. And now all I'm going to do is twist this knob until it's tight. I should say snug. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Now I'm going to take this, put it in this side. All right, nice and simple, only a couple of minutes, and your laundry machine should smell much better. Please also leave comments because it helps me come up with ideas for more videos. And I hope this helps. And if you like what I'm showing, please like and subscribe on the channel.